See example 9. In figure ABC and AMP are two right angle triangles. Right angle at B and M respectively. Prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP and CA by PA equal to BC by MP. Okay, this is the given figure. Here we have two triangles. Okay, ABC and AMP. ABC and AMP. Okay, right angle at B and M. Okay, here we need to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Okay, consider these two figures. Consider triangle ABC and triangle AMP. Okay, here A is a common angle. Angle A equal to angle A. Common angle. Next, angle B equal to angle M. Why? Each angle equal to 90 degrees. Okay, angle B equal to angle M, which is equal to 90 degrees. So, okay, this is angle. Okay, here using angle similarity criteria, corresponding angles are equal. So, these two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Next, second part. Here we need to prove CA by PA equal to BC by MP. Okay. See, here we have already proved these two triangles are similar. Then corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Here corresponding sides ratio is in triangle ABC and triangle AMP. AB by AP. Sorry. Let's start these two figures. ABC. Next, AMP. Okay, corresponding size ratio AB by AM, which is equal to BC by MP. Next, AC by AP. Okay, see, CA by PA equal to BC by MP. Okay, therefore BC by MP equal to AC by AP. Hence proved. Okay, this is the corresponding sides ratio. Next example, 11th one. In figure, in this question has already given figure, but we shouldn't see the figure. Is a point on the side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC if AB perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC. Prove that triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. Okay, let's draw the figure. E is a point on the side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC. We know isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two sides are equal and two angles are equal. Suppose, see, this is the isosceles triangle ABC. Okay, here AB equal to AC. Okay, E is a point on a side CB produced of an isosceles triangle. Okay, E is a point produced from CB. Okay, suppose this point is E. Okay, and given AB is perpendicular to BC, AD is perpendicular. Let's the perpendicular on BC. Okay, this is the perpendicular. Okay, next EF is perpendicular to AC. EF is perpendicular to AC. Let's the perpendicular on AC. Okay, this point is F. This is the perpendicular. Okay, here we need to prove triangle ABD. This is D. ABD, smaller one. ABD is similar to triangle EF ECF. Okay, this triangle. Okay, consider triangle ABD and triangle ECF. Okay, here triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Okay, sorry, ABC is isosceles triangle. Okay, here AB which is equal to AC. Here two sides are equal. Okay, so opposite angles are also equal. Here angle C equal to angle B. Okay, here angle B equal to angle C. Okay, triangle ABD and triangle ECF. Okay, here angle D equal to angle F. Angle D equal to angle F. Why? Each angle equal to 90 degrees. Okay, both are right angles. Next, angle B equal to angle C. Okay, angle ABD equal to angle C. Okay, angle B equal to angle C. Why? AB equal to AC. Okay, those equal side opposite to equal angles in isosceles triangle. Therefore, this is angle, this is angle. Based on the angle similarity criteria, corresponding angles are equal. So, these two triangles are similar.